A local nonprofit is making it their mission to make sure no one in Richmond goes hungry.
They're called the Underground Kitchen Community First. And Joel Vasquez spoke with them about the programs they offer to the people struggling the most.
The Underground Kitchen is bringing quality and nutritious food to the communities that see the least of that. The best part, they're not only providing them with these meals, but the knowledge so they can make it themselves.
We're making that information accessible. We're also making that food accessible to the public.
That's the goal of the Underground Kitchen Community First, making healthy food obtainable, one plate at a time.
Underground Kitchen Community First was born out of COVID. We did relief food for over 300,000 meals during COVID.
This food disparity crisis was an issue they saw hitting low-income areas the hardest. And over their 5 years of service, they've introduced 5 programs to help communities in Central Virginia free of charge, one of them being the From Scratch program.
Farm-to-table food access for child care centers throughout Richmond City and Central Virginia. We're currently serving over 12 child care centers right now with farm-to-table hot meals delivered to those schools every day.
And the Future Foodie program, which aims to educate children on the importance of eating nutritious food.
So if it's spaghetti and meatballs, we give them the history of pasta, the history of a meatball, and where it was grown and where the food was made.
And starting this year, they're introducing the Smart Soul Food program, which is a course where attendees get hands-on lessons from professional chefs and dietitians on making healthy food. The nonprofit working with Councilwoman Ellen Robertson, who represents the 6th District, an area that's essentially a food desert.
This is just a fabulous opportunity for us to work with those families. We'll get them to be able to use their own refrigerators, their own stoves, their own pantries to stock quality food and ways of how to prepare that.
And by providing this education to these communities, they're hoping the impact goes beyond the dinner table.
If we're feeding our families and our children better food, then we have much better health outcomes.
Now, the first class for that Smart Soul Food program starts January 30th. It's a 6-week program that meets every Thursday, and it's completely free. To learn more information, just go on the Underground Kitchen's website. For now, in Richmond, Joel Vasquez, 12 on your side.
Just ahead at 5:30.